Mississippi is a place full of contradictions and complications. Creativity, suffering, and tremendous determination live side by side. Mississippi has been a cradle of American creativity and a battleground for civil rights. Elvis Presley and Sam Cooke were born here. So were Ida B. Wells and Fannie Lou Hamer. And so was I in tiny Sunflower County, the heart of the Mississippi Delta. We hold many hard truths in Mississippi. Our population is declining, and what happens here is a microcosm for what we struggle with as a nation: corruption, poverty, poor health outcomes, and polarization. It's bleak, and it's also beautiful. Mississippians as a whole are fiercely loyal, and we don't like having our story told by people who don't understand this complicated place we call home. I lead a nonprofit newsroom called Mississippi Today, and we launched nearly 10 years ago out of this very need for local, nuanced reporting that gets to the heart of the systems harming our state. The day our team showed up at the state capitol in 2016, we doubled the size of the press corps. We made every story available to republish at no cost by hometown papers across the state. Today, we're the largest newsroom in Mississippi with 30 full-time reporters and editors. In 2022, our investigative reporting helped expose the state's largest welfare scandal, and for that, won the Pulitzer Prize for local reporting. Thank you. Thank you. Our journalism has helped get women out of prison, and it has inspired community leaders to course correct and invest resources in fighting opioid addiction. But it's not just about accountability. It's about reporting on accomplishment, like the fact that Mississippi has become a model for monumental gains in childhood literacy. Mississippians trust our reporting because we're their neighbors. They know we love this state as much as they do. They see our journalists in the halls of power on Monday and at the farmers market on Saturday. And I've seen firsthand the way that local, on-the-ground reporting can actually scramble the story you think you know about division in this country, catalyzing unlikely alliances in action. Take, for example, the story of Kimberly Todd, a single mother of 5 in North Mississippi, where she and a quarter of her community are living below the poverty line. When our health reporter met Kimberly in September, she was in a months-long struggle to qualify for Medicaid, one of the most politically divisive issues in our state. So our journalist did what every good reporter does. She started asking questions and deeply researching the tangled process for Medicaid approval. Through this, she not only discovered that a policy was being implemented incorrectly, but she put a human face on the hot-button issue of Medicaid and the social safety net it provides for nearly 700,000 Mississippians. Our coverage created a more personal, nuanced understanding of the issue, and I'm happy to share that soon after our story published, Kimberly was able to get the care that she needed. Journalism like ours helps unravel the state's contradictions and complications. We learn more about each other, and we remind our readers that before they think of themselves as left or right, red or blue, they must remember they are Mississippians first. There is no doubt that our country is divided right now. It is messy, and it is complicated, and it's beautiful. This may be a new feeling for many of you, but in Mississippi, we've felt it for generations. So I encourage you to hold the contradictions in your heart, the way we do in Mississippi, and I urge you to read and support and champion your local newsrooms. It's how you make sense of the contradictions. It's how you get the real story. And let me tell you, if we can build a newsroom that catalyzes change in the Deep South, we can do it anywhere.